Hello everyone. Let's go for AutoCAD practice lesson 8. So let's begin. So this is the object that we are going to make. So at first delete this one because we'll make this one again. At first select line and just click and make a line. The dimension is 24 millimeter. Then again 24 millimeter. Then it is 48 millimeter. Then it is 24 millimeter and then 24 millimeter. Enter. Now repeat line, and from this point I can draw line. It is 120 millimeter. Now it is 16 millimeter. It is 72 millimeter. Now it is 56 millimeter. Now it is 40 millimeter. Next one. Then 16 millimeter. Then 24 millimeter. Then again 24 millimeter. Then 56 millimeter. Then 40 millimeter. And then 16 millimeter. Enter. So our object is complete. Now we need to put the dimension. So linear dimension. So at first it is 24. Repeat 24. Right button. 48. Right button. 24. Right button. 24. Right button again. Repeat. And it is 120. Right button. Repeat. And this point to this point it is 16. Repeat. So this edge to this edge it is 72. Right button. Repeat. And this point to this point it is 56. Right button. Repeat. And this point to this point it is 40. Repeat. Right button. 16. Right button. Repeat. 24. Right button. Repeat. 24. Right button. Repeat. 56. Right button. Repeat. 40. Right button. Repeat. Okay, so we have completed our lesson 7, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you.